Hi everyone, in this tutorial I am going to show you how we can automatically highlight active cell in Excel. Let's start. Just select the cells you want to format, then conditional formatting, manage rules, new rule. Use a formula to determine which cells to format. From here enter the rule and bracket, column, open bracket, close bracket, equal, cell, bracket, double quotation, call, double quotation, close bracket, comma, row, open bracket, close bracket, equal sign, cell, bracket, double quotation, row, double quotation, close it, another bracket. Format, for example, I selected this color. Okay, okay, apply to all. Okay, you see it doesn't work very good. How I can fix this problem? Just from here, select sheet 1, right click, view code, select worksheet. From here, write application dot calculate. Then close this one, close this one. This time, you see. Don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. Have a nice time.